Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I greatly appreciate you being here. So today I wanted to get on here and really just have some fun with some makeup. And obviously by the title and the thumbnail, you guys already know what is going to be going down today. So this past spring, I kind of want to do like a pastel goth type of look, but I never really got around to it. And then as I was looking up like goth and all of that, I came across punk edits and I'm like, wait a minute, I kind of want to do a punk edit too. So why not just combine the two in today's look? And I know it's summertime, so pastel-y type colors aren't really the thing right now. More bright colors are. So maybe I'll just do a play on kind of bright and pastel colors together. I don't know. But I did think it would be kind of like a fun idea just to kind of combine pastel goth and punk edit. You know, kind of kill two birds in one stone as far as I'm concerned, but also just to really just have some fun with makeup. And honestly, I'm pretty interested to see how this comes out. And obviously I already have my entire base on today. I mean, we have everything: foundation, concealer, we have bronzer, blush, highlight, we have the whole nine. We have everything done because today I just want to really just focus on the eyeshadow and then obviously the punk edits themselves. You guys have seen me do my base several times by now, and if you are new here and have not seen me do my base, then I have several other makeup tutorials before this that you can go and watch and kind of see the basic products that I use to get this base here. So yes, enough rambling. I am ready to dip and dive to some shadows and play around. So let's just go ahead and jump around into the video. Alright, so I did just kind of go ahead and zoom you guys in just a little bit so you all can just kind of get a closer look as to what I'm doing with the eyes. So again, we're going to be combining pastel goth and punk edit. So basically the overall look will be kind of gothy, punky, but so the eyes I really want to do kind of bright and fun and pastel. I'm first obviously going to start off with my Morphe 35B. Y'all know any colorful look that I do, 9 times out of 10 I'm grabbing this palette for the most part. So I'm first just going to start out with this Morphe M441. I'm going to go in and grab this light green shade and just start blending her in the crease. Alright, so that's just kind of there very lightly as kind of like a transition shade. So now I'm just going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm going to reach in and grab the shade right here called Spear. And I'm just going to start blending that a little bit above the crease. Also being sure to blend it into the green that we laid down as well. Now I'm just going to grab some concealer here. Put some on the back of my hand. I'll be taking a synthetic concealer brush. I'm sure you already guessed it. Going to be cutting the crease. Crease is cut, so now I'm just going to go right back in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to come over here with an eyeshadow packing brush, and I'm just going to grab this kind of periwinkle blue shade here in the corner, and of course packing that onto the lid right on top of that concealer. Alright, so now I just kind of want to start deepening things up and adding a little bit of depth and dimension. So instead of going in with black on the outer corners, I'm actually going to reach in into my Jaclyn Hill palette and reach in and grab this shade right here. It's kind of a really dark, deep, plumish purple. Just taking that shade and really just packing it on that outer corner right there on my outer V, just to really, like I said, deepen that up and add a little bit of dimension without just going in with a full black. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go back in with that periwinkle blue, the one that I used all over the lid. And of course, just swipe that all the way across the lower lash line. And then just to add a little bit of extra pop to my eyes, y'all know I got to go in with some glitter or shimmer. So I'm actually going to be grabbing my JCat Beauty Beverly Hills 90210 palette. Reaching in, and it also has this kind of periwinkle blue shade, but it is actually like glitter. So I think that'll be a nice addition to the lid. But first, because it is a glitter, it's also kind of a little bit on the chunky side. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to spritz my eyeshadow brush. That's just going to help it go down just a little bit better. And I'm just going to apply that directly onto the lid. Oh gosh, the fallout is real. Alright, so you see how that kind of really just helped brighten and liven up that blue. Oh, so gorgeous. So now obviously I want to highlight my inner corner, and I think I really want to go really white and blinding. So to do that, I'm be going in with my BH Cosmetics times Carly Bible palette, and of course grabbing the bright white highlighting shade down here and highlighting that inner corner away. I'm also going to take that same shade and just highlight the brow bone as well, just so everything in the eye area is nice and cohesive. Alright, so that's pretty much it as far as the eyeshadow goes. So now, really fast off camera, I'm just going to do some mascara and lashes, and then I'll be back to do the punk edits. Alright, so lashes are on, and I also went ahead and just took my hair down. I'm way past wash day, so it's really nappy and frizzy, but I figured it would play the part and add to the kind of punk effect. So before I get into the actual edits, I just want to go ahead and do my lipstick. Now obviously for the punk edits we had to do black, and the only black lipstick that I own is this cheap crappy one that I have from Halloween. So I'm going to start with this. And then I'm just going to go on top of that with some black eyeshadow just to set it and seal it in place, so hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so now that I have that done, I think I want to add in some piercings. So to do so, I'm going to be taking just these little diamond rhinestones that I have. And I first am going to give myself an eyebrow piercing. So I'm going to take the rhinestone, put a little bit of lash glue on the back of it, and put it on my eyebrow. Alright, is that a good place? I don't know if that's a good place or not, but that's what we're going to put it. Of course, we got to put one right underneath that to make it look like, you know, like the hoop thing, like so. Now my eyebrow is pierced, and I actually want those to stand out a little bit better than they do. So I'm actually going to take just some black liquid liner and attempt to go over those gems to make them black. There we go. That definitely looks more like an eyebrow piercing. Oh, it's so cool. Now I know I already have my nose pierced on this side right here, but I think I'm gonna add a little stud on this side as well. You know, why not? We're doing punk edits. Right? Is that a good nose piercing place? I don't know. And then of course we have to pierce the lip, so again, taking another diamond rhinestone, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did with my eyebrow and place two, so that way it looks like the little ring. I'm having a lot of fun with these piercings. Now obviously I'm no stranger to tattoos or piercings, but these are all piercings that I honestly didn't think would even look good on me. But doing it with makeup and rhinestones, that's pretty fun. Ooh, I'm already looking really punk, and I'm kind of here for it. Yes, I am feeling the piercing fantasy. Alright, so now that we have all of our piercings, it's now time to go in and add the actual tattoos. And to do the actual punk edit today, I'm really just going to be going in with different liners for different ones. It just depends. I have a Wet n Wild Mega Liner here. This is a black liquid liner. I also have one that has a felt tip, and then I also have just the regular like gel pencil eyeliner, whatever you want to call it. So for the tattoos that I'm actually going to add, I'm kind of just going to wing it and just do random things as they come to my mind. I do have James Charles and Nicole Concilio's punk edit pictures. I have their pictures up just for reference and idea and inspiration. So yes, let's do this. So a lot of punk edits that I look at, a lot of them have something written above their eyebrows. So you know what? We're gonna write something over our eyebrow. James Charles, of course, put the word sister. Nicole Concilio, she did LA. What should I put? I don't know. Let's just be basic and write the word blessed. And then of course we gotta do something underneath the eye. I'm just gonna go in and add like a little upside down cross. On this side, I actually had this little star eyeliner stamp. It's by QIC Cosmetics. And I think I'm going to go ahead and give myself the little Kat Von D stars. Right, and I think I'm also going to add just a little something underneath the eye on this side as well. I actually have another one of those stamp things, except this time this one is in the shape of a moon. so now I think we need something on our necks. I really would like to do some roses here, but homegirl is just not that skilled when doing this with eyeliner and looking down. I'm just not even going to claim that I am. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and be basic and simple and start with a big flower. Not really sure what kind of flower I want to do. I'm just going to draw one, and whatever it turns out to be, that is what it's going to be. Alright, so that is as good as that is going to get. Not the best looking up close, but if you back far away, I'd say it looks like a semi-mediocre neck tattoo. And I did take up a lot of room with this, kind of on purpose, but we're not going to talk about it. Now I think I'm just going to add in just a couple fillers. So I think I'm going to do my birthday in Roman numerals, which my birthday, of course, is April 15th. So I'm going to do 4.15. Alright guys, so really quick, I just added in a few more fillers here. Really, it's just those eyeliner stamps again. I also threw on some hoop earrings, and I also changed my hair just a little bit. That way we will be able to see the stuff on the sides. And lastly, I know you noticed something different about the lips. I did just kind of want to even things out, and I didn't do it on camera because I didn't know how it was going to look, but I wind up liking it. So I am going to leave it, and what I did was I just went back in with my JCat Beauty palette and the same periwinkle blue glitter that I used on the lid. Yeah, I just kind of dabbed my finger in it and then dabbed a little bit on the lips on top of the black, and it really just gave it that nice iridescent feel, and it really, I think it really looks great. So yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely gave me a chance to play with makeup, but also do something a little bit different than what I normally do. So that was really fun. I'm really going to keep this outro short and not ramble on. So if you enjoyed this video, please just go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one.